What to do if your Hamster Kombat is not opening. So it is a pretty simple thing to do, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first thing first is that the reason behind it is failure or overload on the Hamster Kombat server, or an outdated version of a Telegram app that might have bugs or glitches, or maybe corrupted cache files among others. So how you can resolve this issue: make sure that your Telegram app is up to date and your mobile phone have enough memory to handle the data or enough RAM to handle the load. And if the issue still continues, just clear your cache files. How you can do it: for the Android users, go to settings, scroll down and select the apps, and then go to the manage app option, find Telegram and tap on it to open the app setting. Here you can go to the storage and select clear cache. So that's how you can do it. So after doing that, the issue will be potentially resolved. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. See you in another video. Bye bye.